Hey everyone, welcome back to What's Been Happening. Today I just wanted to quickly demonstrate how to use a beauty blender. My skin is fully cleansed and exfoliated, and I'm going to apply my foundation with the beauty blender now. The foundation I'm going to use is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Light Wonder Foundation in Fair. And I'll show you how much I apply to my hand. Take the beauty blender. Now I'm using this dry. It can also be used wet. It tends to go on more sheer if it's used wet, and I love to soak it in water and use it that way as well. This is going to be a slightly heavier application just because I feel like my skin isn't looking 100% this week. So I just pat it on in places that I want more coverage. I'm applying a little bit more foundation now and then gently applying the foundation with a sponge to my face. It's foolproof. They last about 3 months. I wash them fairly often. If I'm using it on myself, I wash it every day. If I'm using it on someone else, you cannot share them, not even with your mom or your sister or your best friend. Don't share them. It's gross. It's more than gross. It can actually nowadays make you very sick. So don't share them. Save for it if you can't afford it, or don't buy it. Don't share them. I always tend to put a lighter application on my forehead just because I don't get a lot of discoloration up there. I'm very lucky. I don't have acne. It's a rare day that I break out. It does happen, but not often. I'm going to go right over my eyelid because I get some darkness up there because I've been using eye envy and I've been applying too much, and that can cause a bit of staining if you apply too much. A basic application looks something like that with the beauty blender. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye.